This is a 1/2 scale 1948 Ford. I think I've seen this tractor and manure spreader before. Look at this old 18-wheeler. Minnesota Moline, 1946. Corbett, that was built in Henderson, North Carolina. $1950, can't read it. $1930. Both of these are 1930. Old pickup trucks. This is a 1976. $1969. A Chevy Love, 1974. This is a 1951 Chevrolet 4-door sedan. And look at this low rider. Ford Courier, 1974. Look at this little Love right here. 4-wheel drive. 1974. Look at this rollback right here. This is the old style. It was just tilted back slightly. Oh boy, look at these here. Cougar. See what year this one is. 1968. Chevy 10, simple as they get. 1966. There's an old Jeep V8 360. They probably had a Buick engine in it. 1973. All right, back to the A models here. More pickup trucks. And then look at these old rigs here. International. How about that? This one needs a motor. This is a white. Look at that, solid rubber tires. That would be a rough ride there. And what is this right here? It's a Ford Model T flatbed. I don't know if they made flatbeds like that. That's modified, I'm sure. Water tanker on a Model A. Is that what that is? Model A? This has got to be a Chevrolet here. Yes, it is. And look, they got the wagon in there. Got a Conestoga on the bed. This is a Ford Lightning 150. Oh, I should go over here and check this out here, huh? Limousine. Ford. See what year this one is. Boy, does it look good on the inside. All right. Here's a flatbed Ford, 4-wheel drive. And here's that Lightning. So it's called, which is a 1993. Look, they still made decent trucks in 1993. And I bet it didn't cost more than 12,000 bucks. It's an International. A low rider. Ford V8. Look at this rig. Man, that is nice. Back to the Chevy Fords. Jeep. Oh, hey. A models. 1929. 1930. This guy has 2 of these things here. One of them is a coupe. What's the other one? It's got a back seat. I found my car. This is a 1958, yes. Pontiac. That's a Pontiac. I should have known by those little. That's the signature of Pontiac there. Wow, what a gem this is. Chieftain. Gotta have one of these babies. Look, it's got a roof rack on it, man. What a camping rig that is. Styling camping. It is hot in the sun. I got to head back for the shade. What we got here? International. Those things right there are just rugged as can be. A 1948 International KB1 truck. A veritable tank of a truck. So people are riding around on all type of small vehicles. Long tractors, golf carts, regular tractors. It's kind of like cruising in your hometown. I like these cute little tractors like this. Look at this one. Now that's an oldie goldie right there. This one looks like a turtle. Okay, now we got some flags going here. A flag vendor. This one's all dressed up for 4th of July. And look at the size of the plow in this little John Deere. You hear most unusual noises. That's a hit and miss in the background. This is probably a case. And look at this stubby little John Deere right here. What's this for? Apple orchards maybe? Yeah, that little motor sure is making a racket. Let's go over and check it out, huh? Oh, no wonder, look at the tail exhaust pipe. That thing is made for noise. How obnoxious can it be? And there's another loud tractor. This guy on this John Deere 40. 2 straight pipes. He's been cruising around making a racket. Showing off. Okay, now here we got a gym right here. What is this? Get your kicks on Route 66. Isn't that nice? Let's find out what it is. It's a Dodge Brothers touring car. Man, ain't that nice? This is a huge hit and miss tractor. Look at the iron wheels. Wonder what that thing weighs. There it goes. So it's like a flywheel that keeps the motion going. And what have we here? Let's go over and check it out. This is definitely an oldie goldie. Sears. A Sears Model N light. Oh, that's that one. This is a Sears right here. So is this the same thing? Or is this different? Oh, here's a sign there. International. International Auto Buggy. Buggy. Wow, that's something. Smokey the Bear is guarding the church, the chapel. I think this is a North Carolina Forestry Service mascot. And let's go inside the church and check it out. He shoveled in a little more coal. Steam-powered shovel. Shovel.
Recycle and Capital Chevrolet and GMC in Lexington.
All right, this is a year for Ford and Fordson. And look at all of them. I don't know if you can hear me over the announcer or not. Looks like the tractor pull is getting ready to to happen somewhere. Now, Fords are being featured this year. And there they are, in all shapes, sizes, and colors. Well, mostly red and gray, or blue and white. But look at that one over there. So this one is the cowboy train. The good guys and the bad guys.
How y'all doing? Well, yes it is. We got a telegram right before we left the train station that there was some folks down here at the stream. We want to know if we can stop, pick y'all up and take you wherever you need to be going.
Oh yeah, I appreciate that. I got two passengers.
All right, if you'll get them unloaded, I'll get them aboard the train and we'll get them to where they need to be. Come on around. All right. What in the name of Sam Houston do you think you're doing?
All right, Marshal, we're here to rob this train.
You're gonna rob a passenger train.
Yes.
What do you expect to get off of a passenger train?
Payroll box.
Payroll box.
Payroll box.
There ain't no payroll on that train.
Marshal, I seen you put a payroll box on that train.
You saw me load my dirty laundry.
No, it's not your dirty laundry.
You see, they've opened up this new dry cleaning place, and everybody says that is just the most perfect way to get your clothes just like you want. So that's what I was gonna try.
Well, I don't believe you, Marshal. All right, Slim, keep your gun on while we get the payroll box.
Well, I hate we're getting y'all held up further on your trip.
Keep it on, Slim.
I'm just trying to figure out why they call him Slim.
All right, he's got that barrel, huh? I could probably take those glasses, but I'm not going to.
More than just one little Debbie cake.
Think you're a cowboy, huh?
I ain't telling you where my dirty clothes are at.
Now that mustache, I don't trust
There
that.
ain't no payroll on that train.
I'll take that back to myself. You got the payroll?
Hey, you standing there eating a bag of chips, you could be trying to prevent them from robbing this train.
Hey, boss, found it!
If y'all gonna shoot him, I shoot him. Okay.
All right, look like I was trying to mark the line.
Can't figure out why y'all want my dirty socks.
You're not one of dirty socks. What is that?
That's a laundry. You know what that says?
Alright, let's get paid for it.
I'm not opening that box.
I said that.
And I'm saying I'm not opening.
I said it.
If you're going to insist with your gun, I'll open it.
Open that box.
Hey, Rose. Hey. Whew. What'd you say you was looking for?
Silver and gold.
That?
That's a bar of silver.
Gosh, that's heavy. That?
Yes. That's what we've been looking for. Now we can be free.
Huh. You want everything?
We want everything out of that box.
Everything out of this box?
Everything.
Okay. Ask and you shall receive, my friend. Dynamite included.
That's correct.
Hey boys, that was a dud.
Hey, that might have been a dud, but that's pretty funny. You know what? There's only two people in this world that know how scared you boys was just then.
And who is that?
The good Lord above and ever who's going to do your laundry.
I do my own laundry.
It don't smell like it.
I know it don't now.
So, listen, it's hot. These people have got somewhere they need to go. These people on the train are wanting to take an enjoyable ride. So how about you lay your guns down and just turn yourself in, make it easy on you.
We ain't covered that, Mark. Nope. Hey, looky here.
Hey, young man, get back behind the coach, son.
Man, the little guy looks stud fight. Here, little fella, I'm gonna make it easy as possible. All you gotta do is pull that hammer back and shoot. Or are you too chicken to do it? Oh! I did not expect to do that!
You just stood there and give him step-by-step directions on how to fire that shotgun. Did you actually think he wasn't going to?
Okay, alright, maybe you're right. But who gives a kid a shotgun nowadays?
I guess he told you, huh? Anyway, that didn't work. Payroll box didn't work. Sheriff Joe's waiting on you. He's got a tall tree and a short piece of rope. So let's just make this easy. Throw your guns down and come on in.
Now, Mark, come on by. I think I planned for you. All right, Slim, bring it out.
Don't you dare.
Boy, you forgot the lid.
You just said grab the weight, not put it on.
Hey, Holiday,
Boy,
when you found these 2, 3, ever how many you got there, was they running a buy one, get one special?
they buy two, get one special.
Well, you need to take them back and ask for a refund because you got cheated.
I know it. I know it now.
All right, last chance. Throw your guns down and come on out peaceful.
I guess we're going to have to tune our way out. All right, boys.
Whoa.
Everybody okay on the train? Young man, what you done right there showed a sign of bravery, but it was also very dangerous. You could have got yourself hurt coming out from behind that coach to face these guys. At least you were brave. Ma'am, same thing. Coming out from behind that coach put you in a line of danger. You could end up being hurt. Annie. The Annie Oakley.
Yes, sir. We were on our way to a wild west show. Our coach broke down and our horse died. Poor Lucky wasn't so lucky today. We were going
Well, that explains the fancy shooting with the dynamite. I appreciate the help. Both of you could have been hurt, but thank you for your bravery. Coach Driver, before we left, we were getting a team of horses ready. They should be not far behind us. If you was, did you bring enough for everybody? But they're coming right behind us. If you want to stay behind, my deputy will be with them to clean up this mess. I know there's money on holiday, and we'll cash it in, split the money. All right.
Hey, that little boy beat down past year.
Some people never learn.
Here for the Ash High Country Cowboys.
Well, they were deserving what they got, huh?
Ladies and gentlemen, we hope you enjoyed the
5
show
of them.
today. We just want to take a quick second to remind you to remain seated and just enjoy the rest of your ride here on the Handy Dandy Railroad.
Look at all the tractors over there. Look at this old rig here. Yeah, we're coming up on my campsite. There it is. Nice and shady. This is the dry camping area. And these are the hookup sites, water and electricity. And here's one of the parking lots, and it is 92 degrees. So this is called the plantation right here. The windmill. And there's the young ladies there. And their little brother. Engine gate. All right, the tractor will be next. Look at that little bitty one. Teardrop, tiny teardrop. Now this is where you want to be set up, in the shady area. There's kids on that Jeep. There are a lot of people here. Bring your own pool.
Ladies and gentlemen, as we start climbing the hill back up to the station, just a friendly reminder to remain seated until the train does come to a complete stop. Once we come to a complete stop, the engineer is going to blow a blast on the whistle, and that'll let you know that it's safe to go ahead and stand up and disembark the car. Ladies and gentlemen, we appreciate you riding with us today on the Handy Dandy Railroad. And on behalf of the entire Denton Farm Park family, we hope you have a great time here at the farm park.
There's one of the good guys.